gearing up here, getting ready to go to work here at Baker's Narrows. We are going to be tackling a bar. This trip's a bar. So, just getting some of my technology together. I'm almost ready, and we're gonna head down to the lodge, have a little bit of bite, breakfast there at the lodge. But I gotta pack my batteries, gotta, pack up. Let's go. Oh, nice morning.
Welcome to my new series where I design, build, fish, and repeat. Here today at the Baker's Narrows Lodge in Manitoba, doing a one-of-a-kind Baker's Bar.
Okay, the logs are by the sea can, so let's head to that direction.
Step 1, finding their materials.
I got pieces there, I got pieces there.
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, heavy.
These rough cut timbers look like they've been sitting for a while, so they have a nice gray tone to them, which I think will add to the effect of this rustic bar. I'm not gonna lie, I've been pretty pumped for this project.
Oh, nice.
Brett, the owner, mentioned to me that he would like the bar to kind of resemble a bar from Montana's. Rustic, lodgy, all the cool stuff. So I guess step 1, let's make some cabinet boxes. Using a pre-finished plywood, we're going to be building an open box cabinet. Pretty basic. I'm going to be also using 3/4 inch plywood for the extra supports. I only have my small Milwaukee table saw, so it makes it a little harder to rip on your own. So, sometimes you just gotta think on the fly. That'll do. Okay, maybe a little more. Day 1 is slowly wrapping up, so I wanted to use these 2x4s so I can place my cabinets kind of in place, give myself a visual. It's getting dark, so it's probably best that I wrap things up for the day. Only had a few more cuts anyways. Brett, the owner's dream, I want a Montana's bar. I like that, great inspiration, rustic, outdoorsy. And as I stand back, thinking, contemplating how I'm going to make this happen for Brett, kind of like building Lego bricks in my mind. I really like Brett's idea of Montana's, but I really want to give him something special. When people come to Baker's Narrows Lodge, I want them leaving thinking, man, I want a Baker's Bar.